Hello humans of the 21st century, my name is Eva. In this video, we are going to uncover the mystery behind Cicada 3301, the most elaborate scavenger hunt the internet has ever seen. Cicada 3301 is a nickname given to an organization that, on 3 occasions, has posted a set of puzzles to recruit code breakers from the public. The first internet puzzle started on January 4, 2012 on 4chan and ran for nearly a month. A second round began 1 year later on January 4, 2013, and then a third round following the confirmation of a fresh clue posted on Twitter on January 4, 2014. The third puzzle has yet to be solved. The stated intent was to recruit intelligent individuals by presenting a series of puzzles which were to be solved. No new puzzles were published on January 4, 2015. However, a new clue was posted on Twitter on January 5, 2016. In April 2017, a verified PGP signed message was found. It explicitly denies the validity of any unsigned puzzle. A verified puzzle has not been posted since. The puzzle focused heavily on data security, cryptography, steganography, and internet anonymity. It has been called the most elaborate and mysterious puzzle of the internet age, and is listed as one of the top 5 eeriest unsolved mysteries of the internet, and much speculation exists as to its function. Many have speculated that the puzzles are a recruitment tool for the NSA, CIA, MI6, a Masonic conspiracy, or a cyber mercenary group. Others have claimed Cicada 3301 is an alternate reality game. However, no company or individual has taken credit for it or attempted to monetize it. The stated purpose of the puzzles each year has been to recruit highly intelligent individuals, although the ultimate purpose remains unknown. Some have claimed that Cicada 3301 is a secret society with the goal of improving cryptography, privacy and anonymity. Others have claimed that Cicada 3301 is a cult or religion. According to statements of several people who won the 2012 puzzle, 3301 typically uses non-puzzle based recruiting methods, but created the Cicada puzzles because they were looking for potential members with cryptography and computer security skills. The first puzzle of 2012 has been solved by Marcus Warner. According to him, those who solved the puzzles were asked questions about their support of information freedom, online privacy and freedom, and rejection of censorship. Those who answered satisfactorily at this stage were invited to a private forum where they were instructed to devise and complete a project intended to further the ideals of the group. He did not finish his work on a method of general decryption, and the website was removed. The Cicada 3301 clues have spanned many different communication media, including the internet, telephone, original music, bootable Linux CDs, digital images, physical paper signs, and pages of unpublished cryptic books written in runes. One book, titled Liber Primus, literally first book, contains many pages, only some of which have been decrypted. In addition to using many varying techniques to encrypt, encode, or hide data, these clues also have reference to a wide variety of books, poetry, artwork and music. Each clue has been signed by the same OpenPGP private key to confirm authenticity. In July 2015, a group calling themselves 3301 claimed to have hacked Planned Parenthood. However, the group appears to have no association to Cicada 3301. Cicada 3301 later issued a PGP signed statement stating they are not associated with this group in any way, and also stated that Cicada 3301 does not condone the use of our name, number, or symbolism. The hacker group later confirmed that they are not affiliated with Cicada 3301. As the group has gained notoriety and public attention, many have asserted that the puzzles are an introduction to occult principles and possibly even recruitment for a cult. Tim Daly, a senior research fellow with the Conservative Christian Family Research Council, analyzed the teachings of Cicada 3301 and stated, "The enigmatic Cicada 3301 appears to be drawing participants inexorably into the dark web of the occult, similar to Blavatsky and Crowley." Others have claimed that the Cicada 3301 puzzles are a modern and technological equivalent to the Enlightenment journey within Western esotericism and mystery schools.